Today I shall discuss sonnet. Actually, sonnet is relevant to the students of Upshastri and Shastri. There are many poems prescribed in the syllabus which are sonnets written by different poets. You must know what is sonnet. Sonnet is a poem which has 14 lines. Sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a short song or lyric. There are two types of sonnets. One is Italian sonnet, or it can also be dubbed as Petrarchan sonnet. Another type of sonnet is known as English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet. Italian sonnet is also known as Petrarchan sonnet because Petrarch of Italy introduced this type of sonnet. Many poets of England have written poems which are known as Italian sonnets. Italian or Petrarchan sonnet can be divided into two parts. The first part, which has 8 lines, is known as octave or octet, and another part, which has 6 lines, is known as sestet. The rhyme scheme of Italian sonnet is ABAB. There are many beautiful sonnets written by different poets in English poetry. Then another type of sonnet is known as English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet. English sonnet is also known as Shakespearean sonnet simply because Shakespeare, the greatest dramatist and poet of England of the 16th century, wrote this sonnet. It is a greatness on the part of Shakespeare that he wrote 154 sonnets. English or Shakespearean sonnet can be divided into 4 parts. First part is known as quatrain, which has 4 lines. Second part and third part have also 4 lines each. They are also known as quatrains. And the remaining, the fourth part, has 2 lines. It is known as couplet. The rhyme scheme is ABBA, ABBA. Many English poets have written sonnets, and the sonnets are the best means to express their ideas. They are very much popular. I would like to tell you that many poems for the students of Shastri Part 1 are sonnets, Therefore, you must know what is